Just thought I'd shoot another video of just this side of the creek. So there's the 90-foot mark over there. There's the 45-foot mark. So over here, it's got plenty of dirt to work around. Let me go to that side over there and see if I can get another better angle. Show you what the top of it looks like. So all this guardrails to be removed. Here's about our 90-foot mark. No, actually that was the 40-foot mark. The 90-foot mark is way over here. So that'll come all the way over here, right? Let me get inside these weeds. You can see the slope here. This is one thing we need to be concerned about. Coming all the way over this way. That's what that looks like. Be pretty simple if we're going to leave everything in place.